Good evening. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a blockbuster entry in the Delhi poll campaign. Armed with service delivery data of his government, Prime Minister Modi went ballistic against the Aam Aadmi Party and in doing so has clearly drawn the battle lines. He raised AAP's carefully crafted Sheesh Mahal of Revdis in the run-up to assembly polls and thundered, AAP has been disastrous for the Aam Aadmi. It is like Aapada, and its reign needs to end. With that came what will become the Saffron Party's clarion call, Aapada ko nahi sahenge, badal kar rahenge. Soon, Arvind Kejriwal, who is known for mimicking BJP's playbook in an ingenious game of one-upmanship, issued a rebuttal. And sticking to the template, AAP Supremo tried to turn the tables on the BJP over Aapada attack, saying that it was the Saffron Party that was crisis-ridden in Delhi. Crisis of chief ministerial pace, crisis of agenda, and a crisis of narrative. Viewers, with no side pulling any punches, the poll pitch in Delhi has truly reached a crescendo, with AAP looking for a hat-trick in the BJP, doing everything it can to make a comeback after 26 long years out of power in Delhi. It is now clear that it will be Modi versus Kejriwal. The question is, who can turn this Aapada into Avsar?
4 करोड़ से अधिक गरीबों के घर उनका सपना पूरा किया है। मैं भी कोई शीश महल बना सकता था।
2700 करोड़ रुपए का अपने लिए घर बनाने वाला, 8400 करोड़ रुपए के हवाई जहाज में घूमने वाला, उसके मुंह से शीश महल की बातें अच्छी नहीं लगती।
अन्ना हजारे जी को सामने करके कुछ कट्टर बेईमान लोगों ने दिल्ली को आपदा में धकेल दिया।
प्रधानमंत्री जी दिल्ली आए थे। दिल्ली के लोगों द्वारा प्रचंड बहुमत से चुनी हुई सरकार को केवल गालियां देने का काम किया।
ये आपदा दिल्ली पर आई है और इसलिए दिल्ली वालों ने आपदा के विरुद्ध जंग छेड़ दी है।
पहली आपदा, भाजपा के पास सीएम चेहरा नहीं। दूसरी आपदा, भाजपा के पास नैरेटिव नहीं है, उन्हें पता ही नहीं चुनाव किस मुद्दे पे लड़ना है। तीसरी आपदा, भाजपा के पास कोई भी एजेंडा नहीं है इस चुनाव के लिए।
You heard the war of words. Let's quickly open this up. Tuhin Sinha, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Suhail Seth, Ratan Sharda, both of them need no introduction. Advocate Anmol Pawar, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Vivek Srivastav, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, complete the panel. Anmol Pawar, the Prime Minister has gone beyond what perhaps the Aam Aadmi Party was expecting, the Revdi fight. He says Aam Aadmi Party means Aapada, disaster for the people of Delhi.
Madhav ji, in his 43-minute speech, Modi ji did not mention what work they have done in last 10 years. They have 7 members of parliaments in Delhi, but he did not mention a single work. He did not explain that why the law and order situation, which comes under the purview of central government, has deteriorated very badly. He did not explain that why he could not fulfill the promise of providing Pakka house to all the residents of Delhi. Here's the promise, here's their poll promise. He did not address that why he backstabbed the 40 lakh Purvanchali voters, betrayed their trust, to whom he promised that they'll get land and ownership right by 2022. He did not address that why were the 2,78,976 people living in the Jhuggi clusters have been rendered homeless. Unke jhuggiyan kyun todi gayi hai, unhone jawab nahi diya. He did not explain that why, as promised in their manifesto, that they will build 10 new colleges and 200 new schools. Why was this promised unfulfilled? He did not explain that why the promise made to the traders that 10 lakh shops and offices will be converted from leasehold to freehold have not been done till date. He did not explain that why is the villagers who were promised that they'll get an alternative plot or location for the area which has been acquired by the
Mr. Pawar,
government.
that's
Why have
precisely
they
what
not
I
fulfilled
asked
the
you. You
promise?
were expecting the
Instead,
Prime Minister
he
to talk
chose-
about all
he
of this.
chose to
He's
attack-
turned the tables. Look what the Prime Minister has made the contest in Delhi. He says the third term of the Aam Aadmi Party will be a disaster because we've seen the first two terms. And he also took a dig at the Sheesh Mahal controversy. He said, मैंने गरीबों के लिए घर बनाया, मैं चाहता तो शीश महल बनवा सकता था. How will you counter this narrative?
देखिए, उन्होंने गरीबों के लिए घर बनाया और हमने गरीबों का भविष्य बनाया. In the last 10 years, Arvind Kejriwal government worked to fulfill the dreams of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Arvind Kejriwal government built 25,000 new classrooms. We built 30 new mohalla clinics. We laid down 10,000 kilometers of road. We installed 3 lakh CCTV cameras. We installed 3 lakh street lights. We provided the people 24/7 free electricity. We ensured free
all of
water
this,
supply round the
Mr.
clock.
Pawar,
We
look, all of
ensured
this,
that the,
all of
women
these are
and
fine
sisters
things of the
Delhi
manifesto.
get free
What will you
bus
tell
rides.
the Aam Aadmi when you go asking for vote? Because look what has happened over the last few days. And before I get the BJP to respond to it, let's just quickly discuss the optics. Suhail, has the Prime Minister redefined the battle in Delhi and put Aam Aadmi Party on the back foot?
Absolutely. And let me tell you this, and even Anmol will not be able to disagree. Delhi is a mess. It's a mess in terms of pollution. It's a mess in terms of people density. It's a mess in terms of administration. Earlier, when Punjab had a different government of a different political hue, every time there was pollution in Delhi, it was blamed on Punjab. Today, there is no one left to blame. I'm not here to vote either for Aam Aadmi Party or the BJP. The Delhi citizen is getting messed up every time. You know that old saying, when whales fight, shrimps are eaten, we are the shrimps. And we are eaten all the time. Arvind Kejriwal is nothing but a drama baz. And he has always been one. He has been one from the time of India Against Corruption. He gets rid of people who are a threat to him, even a minor threat. Look at where Manish Sisodia is. You know, they keep talking about all the stuff that they've done. But Delhi is a mess. Now, you might say that law and order comes under the center. Fine. But you guys took the matter to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of a federal control over the national capital region. It is not us as citizens. The bottom line is that Delhi has been brought to national ruin. Who's responsible? Everyone. Even the BJP. Let me be brutally honest. Because of their fighting against each other, the common man has been suffering ad nauseum. And there is no solution in sight. Look at what Beijing did. When Beijing had the kinds of level of pollution, they took drastic steps. We are unable to take those steps because there's constant fighting. If the LG wants to do some good, Arvind Kejriwal goes to town saying, oh, this is bad, that is good, that is bad. So I don't really know where the problem lies.
No, Suhail, I think you're misreading the situation when you talk about drastic steps. You were comparing, giving us the Beijing example. Look what Arvind Kejriwal did. The court asked him,
exactly.
you can't go to the court, you can't go to the chief minister's office. And he said, let's have an interim chief minister.
Exactly. My point is that he has made a mockery of administration. His desire to cling on to the vestiges of power has made him really shameless. And here was a man who came to power saying, I don't want power. I want to live like a common man. You know, when you build these glass houses, people are bound to throw stones. When you build Sheesh Mahals, you're mocking the poor, you're mocking the needy of Delhi. You can keep talking about education and, mohalla clinics. It doesn't matter. Look at what's actually happening. I mean, I don't need to tell you this. There are articles being written. You are spending, this Aam Aadmi Party Johnnies spend tons and tons of money on advertising. These jokers are advertising, with due respect, these people are advertising Punjab in Delhi newspapers, full page ads. Who is paying for this money? You and I as taxpayers. So my point is, and I absolutely disagree on one point of Anmol. It is not about comparing who is doing what. The chief minister of Delhi is an Aam Aadmi Party representative. She is the chief minister.
But Suhail,
But
I think we have to
Iqbal
give
is
it to
concerned-
Anmol. You know, he's been magnanimous. He at least conceded that the BJP has made, or the Prime Minister has made houses for the poor. He
I'm
said,
telling you,
we've
Anmol
improved their
Panwar-
lives. Let's,
Anmol Panwar is in the same situation as normally Sanjay Jha is and Kamru Zaman will be. So these chaps, I actually empathize with them because they are decent, intelligent people. When you have to defend the indefensible, you have to get rid of both sanity and intellect in that order.
okay. And I think you've left out Vivek Srivastava. I think, you know, you've left Vivek for me. I'll handle Vivek Srivastava. I'm coming to him. But Tuhin, you know, respond to what Arvind Kejriwal said. Anmol, I'll come back to you. Let me get a response from the BJP. Arvind Kejriwal said, आपदा में तो बीजेपी है, उनका ना चीफ मिनिस्टर का चेहरा है, ना कोई एजेंडा है, कोई नैरेटिव है, और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर देखिए दिल्ली में.
Well, good evening, Pranesh. Good evening, everybody. You know, Aam Aadmi Party is in a very precarious situation. When Arvind Kejriwal compares his 56 crore Sheesh Mahal with the suit which Prime Minister Modi had worn in 2015, let me remind him that that suit was subsequently auctioned and, you know, the money was spent on charity. Is he planning to auction his house and pay the pending payment of Anganwadi workers and the Maulanas who have been protesting, you know, at his residence for the last 17 months? Arvind Kejriwal, when Prime Minister calls Apda, let me exactly tell you why they should be called Apda. Number one, 18 people died this year in just July and August due to waterlogging that included 2 IAS aspirants in Old Rajinder Nagar, where a complaint had, you know, repeated complaints were made about the deteriorating situation. Number two, 3 children die because of contaminated cough syrup in their famed Mohalla clinic. 26 electrocution cases, 26 deaths in 50 electrocution cases in the last 1 year. 33,000 people die every year in India due to air pollution. The maximum happens in Delhi, where 33%, 1/3 of the children are facing asthma related or lung related issues. And then they have the audacity to spend, they have reported an increase of 4,200% in their advertising over the years. This is the shamelessness of the Aam Aadmi Party. For the first time in 31 years, Delhi has a deficit budget of 10,000 crores because of their, because of their wayward spending and advertising.
And
obviously, the Ganga.
Let's bring in the Congress. Kamruzaman Chaudhary,
the
BJP is taking on the Aam Aadmi Party. It's a two-way fight. Where does that leave the Congress Party? आप लोग सिर्फ पत्थर मार के खुश हैं?
No, प्रणेश, कोई किसी को अगर आपदा बोल रहा है तो हम तो बोलेंगे कि बीजेपी वाले आपदा में अफसर ढूंढने पहुंच गए दिल्ली में. They are least concerned about the development of Delhi and the Delhiites out there. Delhi is the most prosperous state of India as of now. Nobody can deny it. But the fact remains that Aam Aadmi Party and BJP have been a disaster for Delhi and the surrounding areas. What work Sheila Dikshit and the Congress government have done, even the people in the streets are all praising Sheila Dikshit as of now and the Congress government. You understand, when Prime Minister Modi criticizes Aam Aadmi Party of the Sheesh Mahal, he barely
Mr.
does not want to mention the
1 minute. There is no 1 minute.
That
you
is
will have
pending on
to,
the
sir,
tunnel,
wake up and smell the
underground
coffee in
tunnel
Delhi.
from-
Now you can't, as glorious as you can paint the past to be and invoke what Sheila Dikshit did. She is no more. What has the Congress done with its Delhi unit?
No,
Suhail is
the
saying
question
something.
is
कुछ
not
बोल रहे हैं,
about the
Suhail,
Delhi
सुन लीजिए.
unit or-
One minute, Kamru Zaman. Please ask Pawan Khera, who was in Sheila ji's office. I worked very closely with Sheila Dikshit. I created the word Bhagidari. We did RWA Citizen Government Partnership. But the Congress let her down. If you remember, my friend Kamru Zaman, the second time when she won, the Congress delayed the announcement of her as chief minister. It were people like Ajay Makan and all who were penny fighting. So please, let's not praise Sheila Dikshit. Praise from the Congress is very unbecoming, because at that point in time, the Congress failed one of its brightest, most hardworking, most dedicated chief ministers. And I worked pro bono. You can ask Pawan Khera, you can ask Rajiv Talwar, who was a bureaucrat, ask S. Raghunathan, who was the chief secretary. It was a great way because the lady had enormous elegance and enormous grit to make Delhi a better place. But then the Congress also let the state down. Let's be honest, Kamruzaman.
Not just that, they've squandered Sheila Dikshit's legacy. Look what the Congress party has been reduced to by its top leadership, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Now, let me ask you a straightforward question. You're fighting both the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP in Delhi. Do you believe the BJP is corrupt?
Yes,
Do you believe Mr. Kejriwal is corrupt?
of course it is corrupt. No.
अभी
now
नो
give
क्यों
me
हो
just
गया?
one more minute.
If you're fighting
Let me just
Mr.
explain
Kejriwal,
to
तो
you.
नो क्यों बोल रहे हैं? अब yes बोल दीजिए.
No. नहीं हम तो बोल रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी इज करप्ट. दे आर एन ऑफशूट ऑफ द आरएसएस दैट हैज बीन
आम आदमी पार्टी में सबसे बड़ा नेता कौन है सर?
13 days.
Who is the tallest leader in the Aam Aadmi Party?
In Delhi. वो तो छोटा
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, who is the tallest leader of
छोटा
AAP?
आरएसएस है. वो तो सब कोई जानता है हिंदुस्तान में.
Okay, Kejriwal is छोटा RSS.
Opposition.
Are you? I don't know. So you are saying Kejriwal is छोटा RSS. Kejriwal is छोटा RSS. Okay. Yet Rahul Gandhi is in an alliance in which you have the छोटा RSS. What does that make the Congress?
No, you tell me. No, you tell me in Delhi, did we have any alliance, electoral
Sir,
alliance?
आपको
with
तो
him?
जवाब देना
No.
पड़ेगा ना, sir. You
In
can't.
Punjab, did we have an electoral alliance
But
with him? No.
if someone is छोटा RSS, वो सिर्फ
So,
दिल्ली में नहीं होगा
the
ना,
point
दिल्ली
does
के
not
बाहर
arise
जाके
that we are in
RSS का.
alliance with them.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, please sir, थोड़ा तो मतलब let's keep logic alive throughout the debate, please. Vivek Srivastava, as a neutral observer, because the left has looked, quite frankly, no states, neither across states or in Delhi. So let that sink in. And with having drawn the baseline, अब आप बोलिए, who is more corrupt? Kejriwal, or is Kejriwal छोटा RSS as Kamruzaman Chaudhary is saying,
I'll tell you.
or BJP?
Give me some time. जी पहली चीज तो ये है दैट द लेफ्ट सपोर्टेड द आम आदमी पार्टी इन द पास्ट और हमारी सारी यूनियन सारे इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज में जे कॉलोनीज में एंटी करप्शन क्रूसेड में हम लोगों ने अरविंद की मदद करी थी. बाद में हमने अपने डिमांड्स को लेकर के सेक्रेटेरिएट का घेराव भी कराया था और आम आदमी पार्टी ने एक मामूली हेल्पर की सैलरी दिल्ली के अंदर 16,500 करी. So our demands of the minimum wages and other facilities for the labor class people were met by this government, which we praised. Our demand of giving transportation to the poor people has yet not met, लेकिन उन्होंने महिलाओं के लिए बसेस फ्री करी हैं.
अरे सवाल बता,
इस तरीके से
मैं
काम
क्या
करता
सवाल
है
पूछ रहा हूँ
कि
विवेक
हमारे
श्रीवास्तव?
एजेंडे को
Why is it so
पार्टी आगे
difficult for you to answer a
सुन लीजिए
straightforward
सर.
question? No,
मैं उस पे आ रहा था,
नहीं,
सर,
मुझे मेरे पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं है कि आप उस पे
मेरे लिए
आए.
कोई सवाल
सीधा जवाब
difficult नहीं
दीजिए.
होता है.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, सीधा सवाल है, अरविंद केजरीवाल छोटा आरएसएस है, यस और नो?
जी हाँ. आपके हिसाब से
मेरे हिसाब से नहीं, आपके जो दोस्त बैठे हैं उनके हिसाब से.
आप पत्रकार है ना, आप एक पत्रकार है ना, आप बताइए आपके हिसाब से बीजेपी करप्ट है या नहीं, बताइए मुझे जरा.
अरे मैं थोड़ी चुनाव लड़ रहा हूं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
जल्दी चाहिए.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आई एम आस्किंग यू विवेक, व्हाई आर यू सो रैटेड? छोटा आरएसएस, देखिए
पहले आप बताइए.
ये अब आप बाहर निकल जाएंगे फ्रेम से. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप कुछ भी कर ले, मैं एक मिनट, डोंट गेट एजिटेटेड. 1 मिनट सर, एजिटेशन से फॉर द ग्राउंड. टीवी पे एजिटेशन मत कीजिए. 1 मिनट, पीपल कैन सी थ्रू. 1 मिनट सुनिए. Vivek Srivastava, calm down first of all. I told you the last show of the last year that I am giving you a resolution. You have to behave on the debate. Please sir, please. अभी तो पहला महीना है. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, कमरुज़मान चौधरी कह रहे हैं केजरीवाल छोटा आरएसएस हैं. वो कह रहे हैं.
जी आप सुन लीजिए मेरी बात. हाँ, वो कह रहे हैं ना सर. पहली चीज तो मैं उस पे तो उत्तर आ ही रहा हूं, लेकिन
नहीं उस पे आ नहीं रहा हूं, उस पे जवाब दीजिए.
न्यूट्रल पत्रकार होने के नाते आप उत्तर नहीं दे पाए कि भाजपा करप्ट है या नहीं. ये पहली बात हुई. अब
मैं कौन होता हूं? मेरे हिसाब से तो सब करप्ट है. मेरे हिसाब से सब करप्ट है. मेरे हिसाब से सब करप्ट है.
एक पत्रकार,
अब आप बोल दीजिए, आप भी बोल दीजिए. मैं बोल रहा हूं सब करप्ट है. मैं बोल रहा हूं सब करप्ट है. अब बताइए, अब आप जवाब दीजिए.
हाँ, सब करप्ट हैं. Thank you for calling BJP corrupt. Thank you for calling BJP also corrupt because my question was regarding BJP.
Very good.
अब आपका जहां तक सवाल है, आप सुन लीजिए बड़ी साफ साफ कि इंडिया, पहले चीज, इंडिया अलायंस तो रहेगा साथ।
अरविंद केजरीवाल छोटा आरएसएस है कि नहीं, जवाब दीजिए विवेक श्रीवास्तव। आई एम नॉट, नो 1 मिनट, यू विल हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन। नहीं है,
नहीं, हम अभी नहीं मानते, हम आरएसएस
नहीं मानते हैं। देखिए कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी,
लेकिन हम
ये देखिए क्या अलायंस है,
हम क्रिटिकल हैं,
क्रिटिकल है।
नहीं।
सर, इंडिया अलायंस का जो हेल्थ है, सर्वाइवल है, वो क्रिटिकल है। ये आप समझ लीजिए। रतन शारदा, यू नो, फ्रॉम स्वाभिमान टू सावरकर, the Prime Minister has really turned the poll tables.
Well, see, the entire debate which started from the APDA of AAP is very well known. If AAP had done so well, it would not go to the level of offering salaries what they offer to imams which they never paid, also to priests and the granthis. Because for a secular party who says we fight on development agenda, what is the productivity of offering these salaries to people who are working for their own religions, for their own institutions? Does the SGPC require funds? SGPC is the richest body. Does Waqf board require money? They are the biggest landowners. Does a priest require your kripa? He doesn't. So why are so-called seculars, instead of talking about development, getting into communal politics, which they talk BJP of? Secondly, this entire debate is so fully, when you start opposing Modi ji for a house which belongs to the government, not to Modi, for a PM of such a big country, emerging power, you don't want the PM to have a safe house. You talk of aircraft. This aircraft was ordered by UP under Manmohan Singh. Please keep that in mind. And that is also for PM, not for Modi. Then you talk of car. Do you want Modi to travel an ambassador which can be blown away to smithereens when there is an attack? You don't want our PM to be safe. So this kind of very petty politics to play is very stupid. And they talk of good governance. रंगीन पानी पिलाते लोगों को जहर से भरा हुआ इनके कॉलेज, इन्होंने, आई विल टेल यू सम फिगर्स व्हिच विल बी आई ओपनिंग फॉर यू। यमुना क्लिनिक हर 5 साल में जो आते हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल मफलर पहन के कहते हैं अगर मैंने 5 साल में नहीं किया, डुबकी नहीं निकाली, मुझे मत चुनना। देन ही सेज 20 यूनिवर्सिटीज, even one was made, 24 new hospitals, even was not made, 11,000 TTC buses, how many are bought? Water logging, nothing done, 24-hour water electricity, a hoax. Now you are asking people to pay. Look at Karnataka, what has happened to Karnataka. Look at Himachal, what is happening to Himachal. And
right.
Those people who said, we are challenging Modi, we are challenging Modi. The day Modi ji stood up, these people put that tail in their legs and started calling Modi ji names. And Arvind Kejriwal says there is Apada.
No. Calling Modi names is a practice of the past. Look what they, where they've reached. Now they don't even know who's more corrupt, Modi or Kejriwal. The Congress can't make up its mind. कांग्रेस वाले बोल रहे हैं केजरीवाल छोटा आरएसएस है, लेफ्ट वहां पे पता नहीं, लेफ्ट डज नॉट नो व्हाट टू से, द लेफ्ट।
See, this is Noora Kushti. See, Pranesh, this is Noora Kushti. You have alliance in Chandigarh. You say you'll fight, but ultimately we're going to come together. So what kind of alliance is this? You'll fight in Punjab, you'll fight against each other in Delhi, you'll fight each other in Haryana. Then you will say, हमारा तो alliance कायम है, हम तो।
Okay, let me bring in Anmol again. Anmol, Sanjay Singh had appeared in a dramatic press conference. आपने बोला we are setting a 24-hour deadline for the Congress party. ये 24 आवर कब से शुरू होगा, कब खत्म होगा? वो स्टॉप वॉच ऑन किया किसी ने? कुछ करेंगे आप कांग्रेस पार्टी का?
Pranesh ji, first I'll respond to what the other spokesperson, especially BJP spokesperson, said. He said that you're not giving salaries to Maulanas. Day before yesterday, when Arvind Kejriwal ji announced this Pujari Granthi scheme in this country for the very first time, the Bharatiya Janata Party got rattled. Because when we asked them that you have governments in more than 20 states, and in some states you are ruling for more than 25 years, in Gujarat, in Madhya Pradesh, then why didn't you implement this scheme? They had no answers. In fact, we saw that how in Madhya Pradesh they increased the honorarium of Muslim clerics by 50%, and in Haryana also they increased the honorarium of Muslim clerics by 50%. Now, if you'll just review the situation of Delhi.
Mr.
Bharatiya
Pawar,
Janata
let
Party
me
is
ask
in
you a
panic
straightforward
mode.
question. You know,
That is
one
the
minute.
reason
Don't
why
go
they are-
round and
just
round
a
and
minute.
1 minute. It's a straightforward question. आप बताइए. Why did the Aam Aadmi Party think of pujaris after 10 years? आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे? Why is it so difficult? Why was it so difficult for you to have a policy कि इनको भी देंगे और पंजाब में क्यों नहीं दे रहे? वहां पे भी तो आपकी सरकार है. वो क्या छोटा आम आदमी पार्टी है? सुहेल इज सेइंग समथिंग.
देखिए, कम से कम देश की पहली सरकार तो है जिसने 75 साल बाद सोचा इनके लिए. और सरकारें क्या कर रही थी? किसी ने उनके
आप
हाथ
क्यों
पकड़
सोच रहे
रखे
हो?
थे? किसी ने रोक रखा था उन्हें?
Is it your business to pay pujaris? Have you paid the Parsi priests? Have you paid Christian clerics? What kind of rubbish is going on in this country? I mean,
Anmol,
if
answer
these-
that question. It's a
people
serious question. If you are doing this in Delhi, why not in Punjab?
Pranesh ji, first of all, I would request that I must not be interrupted. Otherwise, I'll also, this is not the way. I didn't interrupt any of the spokesperson. See, it is for the Bharatiya Janata Party to answer that why didn't they implement such scheme. हमने तो कर दी पहली बार देश में, तुमने क्यों नहीं करी? किसने रोक
नहीं,
रखा
10
था?
साल
तुम्हें ये
वो
बताओ ना।
बीजेपी कह
आप
रही
बड़ा कह रहे हो,
है.
मौलवियों की सैलरी दी थी,
अनमोल जी,
मौलवियों
बीजेपी
को
कह रही है कि 10 साल का
50%
बकाया पैसा दे दीजिए विद ड्यूज.
Pranesh ji, the Comptroller and Auditor General, their central government watchdog, they said that the only government running in surplus today is the Aam Aadmi Party Delhi government. In 2014, we had a budget of 36,000 crores. When we promised the people that we'll provide you free electricity, world-class education, world-class healthcare, free water supply, we were questioned. पैसा कहां से लाओगे? पैसा कहां से लाओगे? After 10 years of governance, we have fulfilled all our promises.
Okay.
And today the budget of Delhi is 76,000 crores. And Mr. Suhail Seth is saying कि education और health की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसा है ना?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कहा उन्होंने. नहीं, 1 minute. I don't think you understood what Suhail was saying. वो ये कह रहे हैं कि आपकी प्रायोरिटी ऐड देना है या जो स्कीम्स है उसका प्रॉपर इंप्लीमेंटेशन है. Because you took his name, let him respond. Suhail, quickly.
Answer that. First, when you quote me properly. You don't have either the intellect or the resolution to quote me. So stop quoting me incorrectly. Number one. Number two, now that I have the time, I will make another point. No government, whether it is BJP, Congress, Communists, has any business to pay clerics and priests and Maulanas and whoever else. We are a secular country. You people are playing politics of the worst kind. Who the hell has given you the right to pay my taxpayer money to a cleric or a priest or a granthi? Who has told you this? Now you are petty to play politics with this kind of rubbish? It is an outright shame. Arvind Kejriwal is nothing but a sham if he's now playing politics by, I paid the granthi first, or I paid the priest first.
Vivek Srivastava,
People are paid well enough.
what brand of politics is this?
सुनिए,
10 years you pay the clerics, then you remember the pujaris and granthis.
Yes, I totally on this point endorse Suhail sir. What he's saying is correct. Arvind Kejriwal is doing a brilliant job as far as the labor colonies are concerned. Don't divert, don't play the Hindutva card, don't try to imitate the BJP, be what you are.
So
आप anti-corruption पे आए थे, मजदूरों की मदद करते हैं,
one minute. You believe then you believe that Arvind Kejriwal is playing the Hindutva card. You are getting closer to what Kamru Zaman Chaudhary said. छोटा आरएसएस.
Yes.
अब आप बोल दीजिए ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
हम इस पॉइंट ने इसको छोटा आरएसएस बहुत बड़ा शब्द हो जाता है सर, क्योंकि हम इंडिया अलायंस में हैं उनके साथ. कांग्रेस ने 2013 में उनका समर्थन किया है. अभी लोकसभा का चुनाव हम मिलकर लड़े हैं.
तो
सारे
एक बात बताइए विवेक श्रीवास्तव. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, चलिए एक बात बताइए, आप बता दीजिए कांग्रेस उनको छोटा आरएसएस क्यों बोल रही है, यही बता दीजिए आप.
जी नहीं, देखिए वो इलेक्शन की फाइट है 1 महीने की. मैंने कहा
अरे ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
अलायंस का ऑर्केस्ट्रा.
अब आप ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, इलेक्शन की फाइट है तो आप झूठ बोलेंगे क्या? वो छोटा आरएसएस नहीं है तो उनको क्यों बोलना छोटा आरएसएस? आप लोग क्या हैं
भाई? हम देखिए, पहली चीज नहीं, आप सुनिए. हम लोग बिल्कुल एंडोर्स कर रहे हैं जो सोहेल साहब कह रहे हैं यहां पे कि धर्म के नाम पे कोई पैसा टैक्स पेयर का मत दो, वक्फ का पैसा उनका अपना है, वो देना चाहते हैं।
Srivastava, you're not answering the main question. If you are in an alliance and if the alliance partners are calling out each other, what should the voter do? आपको अगर कोई विवेक श्रीवास्तव, बुरा मत मानिएगा, छोटा जिनपिंग बोल दे तो कैसा लगेगा? कोई बोलेगा जी इलेक्शन है तो चलेगा?
अब बोलिए। नहीं देखिए, नहीं देखिए, ऐसा नहीं है। सीधी सी बात है, बीजेपी बाहर रहेगी, लड़ाई होगी कांग्रेस वर्सेस आम आदमी पार्टी, जैसे केरल में लेफ्ट और कांग्रेस लड़ते हैं। केंद्र में हम सब साथ हैं, ये सीधी सी बात है। बीजेपी इज गोइंग टू बी गो एंड गॉन दिस टाइम।
The Congress is going after the Aam Aadmi Party. The left says, look, the friendship is intact.
Pranesh, a couple of quick points. Number one, I take serious offense to Kamru Zaman Chaudhary calling Aam Aadmi Party छोटा RSS. RSS छोटा RSS बनने के लिए आपको देशभक्त बनना पड़ता है। जिस आदमी ने हर व्यक्ति को ठगा है, वो छोटा RSS कभी नहीं हो सकता है। खासकर वो व्यक्ति जिसने ताहिर हुसैन के पक्ष में, ताहिर हुसैन जैसे आतंकवादी के पक्ष में एक वक्त खड़ा हुआ था। Secondly, let me fact check the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson over here. The stipend to priest is not an original idea. In December 2022, Assam government had started a one-time stipend of 15,000 to priests.
So
but our point is not that.
This is a decision under pressure.
You are not able to deliver on
Anmol has pulled up a placard. वो बोल रहे हैं कृपया मुझे बोलने की अनुमति दें। बोलिए अनमोल, ऐसे ही प्लकार्ड सामने रख के बोलिए आप।
बिल्कुल हमारी दरखास्त है कि हमें बोलने की अनुमति दें, क्योंकि पक्ष जो है वो केवल भाजपा का झूठा पक्ष सामने नहीं जाना चाहिए। I didn't even complete last time when I was stopped.
बोलिए।
The fact is that the Bharatiya Janata Party is in panic mode. That is why their former member of parliament is distributing 1100 rupees. There's a hologram of Bharatiya Janata Party, image of Modi ji, Nadda ji and Amit Shah ji. They are resorting to mass voter deletion of Purvanchalis by labeling them as Rohingyas and Bangladeshi. They are adding fake votes and deleting the votes of genuine voters of Delhi. They are disrupting the remarkable and revolutionary Mahila Samman Yojana, wherein the Delhi government has promised 2100 rupees to the women after coming to power for the fourth time, and Sanjeevani Yojana, where the senior citizens above 60 years of age will get free treatment in not just government but in private hospitals. And the Bharatiya Janata Party, the spokesperson of BJP, he was lying on the show that we were in support of this Tahir Hussain. They only know politics of division, politics of polarization. इनसे ये पूछ लो कि 20 राज्यों में इनकी सरकार है, एक राज्य बताएं जहां इन्होंने सरकारी स्कूल, सरकारी अस्पताल, बिजली, पानी, शिक्षा,
quick response that we move on. Quick response. You have about 30 seconds.
नहीं, बता दिया मैंने अगर इनको ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा। देखिए, जो व्यक्ति आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम नहीं लागू कर पाते दिल्ली में, इस वक्त दिल्ली में ऐसा मौसम होता है जब सबसे ज्यादा पीड़ित बच्चे और जो बूढ़े होते हैं वो होते हैं, उनकी हालत की परवाह नहीं करते हुए ये आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम नहीं लॉन्च करते हैं। कहते हैं संजीवनी स्कीम 10 साल में क्या किया इन्होंने, महिला सम्मान 10 साल में क्या किया। दीज पीपल हैव befooled everybody. The Aam Aadmi Party is the biggest scam this country has seen in the last 77 years.
Let's see what the people of Delhi make of this war of words. Who can turn Abda into Afsar? That is opportunity, viewers. Let's leave it at this. Let's turn our attention